Hey guys, back with me again. So on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make the blurry face and video on CapCut. So here I've already prepared a video and I want to add the blurry face effect, and here what you need to do is go to effect and choose video effect and then go to basic and find blur. So this one's right here, and then click on a check icon and set the video the effects until the end of the video like this. Okay, and then after that export the video and then go back, delete the effect and add the previous video, the blur one, as the overlay. So click on overlay and add overlay and choose the previous video you save. So this one's right here. Adjust it until it fits to the canvas like this, and then after that click on the overlay and then go to mask, this one's right here, and then choose the circle and place it the circle here until it fits to the face only like this. Okay, for example like this, and you can also make it small or make it big like that. And let's see, you can always adjust it by drag the arrow here, and let's see the result. So yeah, that is how you can make a blurry face effect in CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.